guys, my name is Mia, and today I'm going to be giving you guys a quick tutorial on how you're going to be accessing the podcasting studio in the AV lab, which is room 108 in the IMRC Center. Now, before you are able to enter, it's important that you complete these quick and easy 3 steps to make sure that you are able to access the rooms and you have the proper training. Alright, the first thing you're going to want to do is register for iLab. And basically how you do this is by looking up iLab or IMRC and clicking this link. And once you get to the website, you're going to make sure you sign in using your UMain credentials. And once you do this, you're going to go to Schedule Resources. And you're going to scroll down. You're going to click Audio Visual Labs. And from here, you're going to select which room you're going to reserve, which in this case is going to be room 110. And it's going to pull up this calendar. And on this, you're just going to double click a slot. And that is how you register for iLab and make a reservation. The last step in this process is going to be making sure you have the proper training for the podcasting room. And you can do this by going to the link for the Google Classroom for IMRC, and you're going to go under the Audio Visual Labs, and you're going to study these slides right here. And once you're done, you're going to take a quick quiz, which is right to the left here. I believe you need over an 80 to pass, but once you've done this, your card should have access to room 108. If you're having issues with your card, however, you can email imrc@maine.edu or find a student technician. And this is going to be the room that you are going to be doing your assignments in. The first thing you're going to want to do is open your desktop and log into Reaper. It's also important that you have a thumb drive or a USB flash recorder to save your media. It's also important to make sure that the PC itself is on, which you can see here with the glowing white lights. The audio interface to the left of the monitor should also be on, which you can see by these 2 green lights. And before you actually start recording, you can adjust the volume of your mics with these knobs right here. Once Reaper has opened, you can also see in the bottom left-hand corner where these green markers are. You can talk into the mics, and that way you can also test your volume and make sure that it is loud enough. It's also important to make sure that your mics are fully plugged in. Now, once Reaper has opened, you are going to want to go to File, New Project. So first you're going to double click in this box up here to create an ARM track. If you do not do this before, a screen will pop up saying that you cannot record. So you're going to double click, and to actually record, what you're going to do is click that red button twice. Now, once your track is recorded, you are going to want to go to File, Render, and you are going to name your track. For this, I'm just going to put Test, and you can also change the type of track. So I'm going to change this to an MP3 file, and you're going to click Render File. Once this is done, you're going to go to File again, and you're going to go to Save As. Once again, you are going to label your track, and right here where it says Desktop, you are going to click on that, and you are going to click your hard drive. Do not save your work to the desktop because IMRC does wipe their data pretty frequently, and you don't want to lose your progress. Another thing I wanted to mention is that on your tracks, if you are using both microphones, you want to make sure they're set to IP3 and IP4. They are labeled on the mics, but that way you're getting the audio from the right source. And that is the end of my quick tutorial on how to use Reaper. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to your instructor or any student lab technicians working. And thank you guys for listening.